everyone,
My name is Janvi
and my name is Tanvi.
and welcome to our channel Food Travel and Recipes. Today we are going to show you street style chocolate pizza. This is very tasty and kids will definitely love it, but elders are also in love with it. So let's have a look at the recipe. For this recipe we'll need pizza base. Here I am using ready-made pizza base. To that we'll add chocolate spread. Use chocolate spread here and not chocolate syrup. Apply it all over the pizza base. After heating of the pan, we'll add our pizza base and cover it and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 to 7 minutes, our base is hot and is ready. We'll remove this and turn off the flame. Keep this in a plate. Then add some white choco chips. Then some dark choco chips. And at last some sprinklers. These are colorful ones. And at last drizzle some chocolate. Cut it into pieces as per your wish. Our delicious chocolate pizza is ready. Serve this very hot. An awesome pizza is ready. You can eat it as a dessert. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Also don't forget to share and follow us on Instagram. Thank you.
Bye.